Here's an example of multiplication of integers. If we are given this problem to do, the first thing I need to recognize to know that it's a multiplication problem is I see that there are brackets and there's no sign in between the brackets. Once there's no sign in between the brackets, it means that these two numbers are being multiplied. Therefore, this means -4 multiplied by -8. Our rules for multiplication and division are fairly simple. Two negatives give me a positive. A negative and a positive gives me a negative. So once the signs are the same, I get a positive. If the signs are different, I get a negative, and that's for every two. Therefore, in this case, I'm going to multiply those two numbers. So I multiply them as normal. 4 times 8 is 32. Then what sign does my answer get? Negative and a negative gives me a positive. Therefore, -4 times -8 gives me a positive 32. Here's a second example. I am given -20 divided by 2. I recognize that I have a negative and a positive. Therefore, my answer should come out to be the negative answer. And then I just divide 20 and 2 as normal. 20 divided by 2, answer is 10. Therefore, my answer is -10. A final example that can demonstrate something with brackets. Notice this. -3 to the power of 2 as compared to -3 with a power of 2 here. Remember that an exponent means that we are taking that number, the base, and multiplying it based on the numbers that we have here. So -3 to the power of 2 means -3 times -3. Notice the brackets. The brackets mean that the exponent 2 is on the entire -3. So therefore, I could rewrite my problem as this. -3 times -3. In this case, my answer comes out to be 9, a positive 9. Why positive 9? Because we are doing two numbers with two negatives. So two negatives give me a positive. Therefore, my answer comes out to be a positive 9. As compared to this example, the 2 is only on 3. Therefore, I can write back my sign and then do what the exponent says. The exponent tells me take the 3 and multiply it by a 3 again. So 3 times 3. In this case, my answer comes out to be a -9 because it's a -3 times 3. Notice the difference between these two problems and how important it is for the bracket. So if you have a bracket, this is what you do. If you do not have a bracket, this is the procedure that you follow.